Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about some built-in functions within Python. Built-in functions are functions that are available to you as soon as you install Python. So these functions are available to you all the time. I've already typed some of these here, but I'll just take you through the documentation first. So this is the list of built-in functions. We've already seen some of these, like print. We've used that the most, and print is available no matter what modules you have loaded or imported into your program. Open is to open files, int to convert string to an integer, input to grab input from users, bin to convert numbers to binary. If you have like 8, that's 1000 in ones and zeros in binary format. So help gives you help about a function. Hex to convert a number from decimal to hexadecimal, to create tuples and to create lists. You could use these functions to create a map. Max returns the maximum value. Power returns the power of all these functions that are available for you to manipulate very basic functionality within Python. So I've got a few here. dir returns the names in the current scope. So if I've got any variables and functions declared, you can see them. Help returns the help. So I've got a print before every one of these functions because prints to console, and I just want to run them here. And you could import a module using the import command, and then you could use a function from within. So basically the math module has a function called square root, so this should print 3. And similarly, again, we're doing help twice, so I'm just gonna, this is help for a function and this is help for a module. So let's quickly run this and then we can look at the output. So at the very top we should have the names in the current scope. So all of these, this whole line gives you what we have. Like there should be zip there because we use zip, vars, tuple, type, sum, string. So it's got all these names of variables here, variables, methods, functions up here, and then zip is a class and it's telling more information about, we said help on class zip, so it's returning a whole bunch of functionality to do with zip. These are all the functions available for zip. So if we scroll further down, so here 3.0 is the square root, and then we're taking help on math module, and this will take us all the way down to the bottom. And here after the help for the math module, we're printing, so that's up to here, and we're printing binary number for 7 is 111. So if I do this 8, it should be 1000. Right, there it is, 1000, and the number converted to string using this str function, and then a string converted to integer using int function. So that's all in this video. I hope that was helpful. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell icon if you want more notifications. Please leave me comments and I'm happy to respond. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.